Do you understand why states fail and what intelligence indicators signal their collapse? How do global systems adapt and respond to such instability? At Bellevue University, our program trains students to assess and respond to state failure through strategic diplomacy, political and economic reconstruction, and the development of intelligence capabilities that promote peace, resilience, and global stability. Hello, I'm Dr. Adriana Siegel, Associate Professor and Program Director of the Master of Science in Intelligence and Security Studies at Bellevue University. Today, it is my great pleasure to share with you how our program develops the analytical, strategic, and technical skills needed to navigate the complex intelligence and security challenges of the 21st century. Our curriculum is built to spark curiosity, encourage creative problem solving, and develop strong strategic thinking skills. In our program, students engage with timely topics, disinformation campaigns and cyber warfare, rogue leadership and strategic deterrence, democratic governance and global development. We examine how national security and transnational interests are shaped by state fragility and collapse, ecological and resource based conflicts, demographic shifts and ideological radicalization, transnational crime, corruption, and illicit networks. In our program, students compare intelligence culture globally to identify best practices in collection, analysis, and policy. They study foreign policy through the lens of culture and intelligence, evaluating how internal dynamics and external pressures shape states' behavior. We explore the strategic application of hard and soft power, assessing the effectiveness of military force versus diplomatic influence across geopolitical contexts. Our courses cover interesting topics: national security and transnational interests, comparative intelligence cultures, transnational crime and corruption, disinformation, anti Americanism, cyber war and cyber deterrence, democracy, ethnicity, and development in Africa, democracy, political economy, and human rights across Asia, democracy, gender, and reform across the Middle East. Bellevue University's Master of Science in Intelligence and Security Studies stands out for high quality interdisciplinary coursework, integration of artificial intelligence in threat detection, a fully online flexible format for working students and professionals, diverse globally engaged learning community. Graduates of our program have a deep understanding of global security and the role of intelligence in shaping it, strong research and problem solving skills, the ability to integrate artificial intelligence to real world security challenges, teamwork and leadership capabilities, strong imagination and creativity, confidence in communicating ideas through writing, presentations, and visual storytelling. Your learning experience in this program is going to be vast. The program is built to enhance knowledge and foster intellectual curiosity and research skills through hands on learning. Among the assignments, you'll encounter intelligence research and personal reflections, simulations and case studies, strategic briefings and video presentations, collaborative projects and group debates, even making short films exploring deterrence and influence operations. While the format is fully online, for flexibility, we also offer students live sessions on specific courses and office hours for deeper connection and support. Our student body includes traditional and non traditional learners from civilian, corporate, intelligence, and military backgrounds. This diversity sparks powerful discussions and enriches the learning experience of our students in the cyber classroom. So, in this program, you learn from both seasoned intelligence and military practitioners, as well as PhD level academics with expertise in transatlantic intelligence sharing, global governance, international institutions, strategy and leadership, international development, and security. So, whether you are entering the field of global politics, or looking to advance your career, or just preparing for doctoral studies, this program will meet you where you are and help you grow intellectually and professionally, connect with others, and prepare you for a wide range of paths in research, security, intelligence, and beyond. We would love to welcome you to our community of learners. At Bellevue University, we are dedicating to helping you build the knowledge, skills, and confidence needed to succeed as an intelligence and security professional in today's complex world. For more information, please visit our website. Let me know if you have any questions. We are here for you. Thank you.